Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to add friends by username in Monopoly Go. So when you open up Monopoly Go right here, so I already tried to add someone, so right here, when you are in Monopoly Go, go to the bottom right corner of your screen and locate your friends. So when you try to add friends here in Monopoly Go, you don't go by the username but instead you go with the friend code. That's how it works here in Monopoly Go, so don't insist on trying to add by username and don't go saying it's a scam that you can add by username. It's called the friend code here in your actual Monopoly Go. So you find friends here using your code and then just paste it right here like mine. And then when you search yourself, of course, you can add yourself, but basically you will have to add someone who are using their own friend code and search, and you'll be able to add them in Monopoly Go. So that's how you add friends by not username, by friend code in Monopoly Go.